The TipWorks program is a program that was brought about in 2003 here in the city, and the basic goal of the program was to help small businesses to train their workers, to bring on new workers and offset some of the associated costs, but to really retain their businesses and grow their businesses in the city of Chicago. So the idea was, how can we create a process, a much more expedient process for companies to engage in that would allow them to get the training they need in a very quick nature, in a just-in-time manner. And that was the real impetus for the program. Many companies spend a lot of time going about the business of doing their work, selling their product, making their product. They don't spend a whole lot of time about improving their processes, thinking about innovation, thinking about tomorrow and what they're going to do and what their business is going to be tomorrow. And a big focus of the program now and then, but especially now, is innovation, moving forward, thinking about the next.
This is my business. My business, you know. If I want to sell an apple for $1, it's up to me. If I want to sell it for $5, it's up to me. So I'm my own boss. Who doesn't want to be their own boss, right? You know, I put my own hours. You know, I see my own money. I see daily my money.
Enable Capital LLC is currently in one of our TipWorks districts. And we, as you can see behind me, we have carts that we funded this company to train 20 new employees.
Microenterprise is something that's really important to us. Small business development is something that's really important to us. We really want to look at our communities and neighborhoods and look at doing economic and workforce development from a neighborhood perspective. And this is the perfect tool to do it because we have TIP districts around most of the communities in our city. And these are ways that we can get at and work with businesses to help build them from the inside out.
I really appreciate this opportunity for a person who wants to grow up in their own business. And I like it. I enjoy it a lot. I keep repeating it, but it's the truth. I enjoy it.
The exciting thing about this program is that the companies that can participate per TIP district, these are their tax dollars that they're putting into the tax increment financing district, period. And so these are dollars that are being returned to them to help those companies expand, to help the workers pick up portable job skills, to help the companies be retained in those areas.
It's amazing how people can be in business a year or 20 years and still need business skills. It's frightening. Our mission is to support and nurture the design/manufacturing company of Chicago. So it can be apparel, which is the most fun. It also can be mattresses and lampshades, anything that's sewn. We're here to help. And even though we've been in business 25 years, we have never done anything like this. This was a training program that we sort of dreamt up, and it's been something we wanted to do for a very long time, but the funding is a huge problem. We don't teach design, but we don't teach the talent. We teach them how to stay in business. We help them to stay in business through good business skills, and that includes everything from accounting to pattern making to avenues of sales, just across the board.
If there was ever kind of this cyclical effect of these monies being returned back to their sources, this is a great story around how companies can use this program to reinvest in themselves.